Another end section that goes away from Buck and into a forehand hook for Bede Durbidge.
Ooh.
He throws the claim. That tells us he had something before that putt.
Yeah, well, Bede doesn't normally show that kind of emotion, really. He's quite a stealthy competitor. But obviously really happy with that wave there. I'm sure we'll get the beginning of that very shortly. Look at the conditions today, Joe. Just absolutely fine. We're looking down there towards Spain. This was right behind Ace Buck and Bede on his forehand. Big gouging maneuver right there. Off the bottom, snaps it off the top. Beautiful surfing here from Bede Durbidge. Another turn off the top, so Bede racking up the points. Big, powerful maneuvers from the natural footer. And I'll tell you what, that was worth the claim. Some great surfing there. Beautiful bottom turn, top turn combo. And a big snap off the top right there. Bede Durbidge showing some power. And I think that could be the difference in that exchange right there. I think Bede's going to get the nod on that that exchange for sure. Just clean, rail-to-rail surfing. No mistakes. That's exactly what you got to do.